guys, so I'm going to show you how I did my poodle. As you can see, I have really long hair. I'm spraying it with the Ion Shaping Plus that is humidity resistant, flexible yet working hairspray. I'm doing a high ponytail, and then I'm going to go around the base of my hair high up and do crisscrossing with my bobby pins just to give it some stability. And you can see in the video, I'm just going all the way around and I'm just making like an actual X shape. And that just helps it from staying up higher. There's just so much weight. And just kind of grabbing some of those flyaways, making it nice and neat. And then the second thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use a hair sponge, a really super large size sponge, as you'll see in a second here. And I got it at Sally's. And I basically put it in, wrapped the back of the hair down, pinned it, and then I split the hair in two sections. And I'm just doing ringlets with my 1-inch Hot Tools Pro. And then I'm curling it up and just pinning it loosely. And then I'm going to go back in and I'm going to create a style with it. I'm basically going to layer it in the front so it hangs down a little bit over my bangs. So you can't really see my bangs, but at the same time, I'm not totally hiding them. And I just love the volume of the sponge, and it just kind of gives it a lot of body. And I just wanted something high up. I didn't want a flat poodle. And because I have so much hair, I wanted to make it super easy to do this hairstyle. So as you can see, I just take small sections. I go all the way around with a curling iron. And in between, I'm spraying it just to kind of keep its shape. And then I'm just kind of loosely curling it. And I want to kind of create a layered look. So I'm not doing it all at the bottom. I'm kind of going up higher, then lower. And I kind of love that kind of hanging piece. But so yeah, I'm just going around and tucking in the ends. One part of my bangs doesn't make sense, my Bettie bangs. So I tuck those up. And then I'm just making sure as I do it that my sponge is covered. And as you can see, I create almost like my own little fringe or bang. And I'm taking my rat tail comb and just smoothing it down with the back end. A little hairspray, the Shaper Plus, as I do it. Hopefully this isn't going too fast, but you'll see the final result in a second. So you just continue to do that. And then I'm using the pomade to just slick back those flyaways and continue to kind of create those little curls. There you go. And so then that's my basic poodle, and it kind of hangs down, and I've created like my own look. I hope you like it. It's a bit of an experiment when you've got super long hair, but I wanted to use my own hair and not use the fake bangs. And then now I'm just kind of playing with different hair flowers I just made. And that's a really nice way to finish off the look, as well as cover any little hair pieces. That's my little bird. I just wanted to have some fun and see what I could do with it. And you can do so many things with this hairstyle. It's really cute. So I made these little hair pieces, flowers for the shoots and things, and I just love using them. They're a great way to hold the hair as well. So when you're walking around all day, you don't really have to worry about it. And it just dresses it up. And you can see some of the bobby pins, and it's not really a big deal. They all blend in. And I've just done like all these individual curls and kind of pulled them. And then my bangs are still kind of swooped to the side and then just pinned on the one corner that you see naked. Voila. And I'm just taking a little brush, the front and back end, and getting those flyaways tucked in. And once again, just with the hairspray and pomade. I hope you liked the video. Please like, share, and subscribe if you like this and you want to see more videos. Thank you.